Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Wyatt's Box Breaks. It's 1 a.m., and we're about to break 2 boxes of Topps Prime Football 2013. Everyone, welcome who's new or anyone who's returning customer. Thanks a lot for buying a spot and getting this broke tonight. Got another late night break for you. So yeah, there's 1 a.m. right there. I like to timestamp that. And we're going to go over to random.org. I got all your names plugged in already, ready to get randomized. Zoom in a little bit, but this won't make much difference until we plug it into the team list. So here we go. We're going to randomize it 8 times. Then plug it into our spreadsheet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's the last random. 8. Just zoom in on that so you see that it's 8 randoms. 8 times, kind of hard to see there, but yep. So I'm going to grab this list, plug it into the list of team names, alphabetical list of teams, and that will be who you get in the break. So good luck, everyone. You kind of see your names here. Guess alphabetically what they are, but there we go. Zoom in here. Okay, and go through this nice and slow so everyone knows exactly what they got here. Here we go. Started off with John G. He's got the Cardinals. Matthew W. Falcons. Patrick H. got the Ravens. James W. the Bills. Matthew W. the Panthers. John G. the Bears. Robert B. the Bengals. KCO the Browns and Cowboys right in a row. Then we got James W. with the Broncos. John C. the Lions. Chris B. the Packers. Joe McF has got the Texans. Dennis M. got the Colts. John H. the Jaguars. James W. the Chiefs. John C. the Dolphins. John H. got the Vikings. Dennis M. the Patriots. Patrick H. the Saints. Joe McF or Robert B. the Giants. Then Joe McF right in a row, Jets and Raiders. 2 spots there. Daniel M. has got the Eagles. Chris B. the Steelers. Robert B. the Chargers. You got Deborah B. the Niners. Joe McF the Hawks, Seattle Seahawks. Daniel M. the Rams. Deborah B. the Bucks. James W. the Titans. And then we got Robert B. there with the Redskins. There we go, this list. Scroll back up so you can get a glance there. See what y'all got. Thanks again, everyone, for buying spots, and let's just let you know we got 3 nice giveaways tonight for people who might go hitless. Got a lot of different people in this break, so hopefully the hits will get scattered around to a bunch of different teams, and everyone will get something nice. But yeah, we got freebies, giveaways. Everyone gets cards, nice cards. All right, so that's the list. Pan out, show you the boxes here. Here's the boxes. 2 boxes of Topps Prime Football. I'll get the keyboard out of the way and then we'll get ripping here. Got the 69 and 70 in the same half case here. Start with 69, how about that? Panned in correctly here. Another late night break. Here we go, everyone. Get ripping. Good luck. for buying spots. And don't be too sad if you didn't get anything awesome. We got some giveaways at the end. Some nice cards. 10 packs, 6 cards a pack, 4 hits. Should be 2 autos and then 2 relics. Okay, everyone, let's start it up. Moved in here a little bit. Okay. Alright, everyone, good luck. Here we go, pack 1. Got a Steve Smith base card. Percy Harvin base. Jeremy Curley base card. Okay, Chris Givens base. We got a gold paralleled card. Randall Cobb. Yeah, Randall Cobb gold parallel. Upside down Deion Jordan card. Base. Okay, back 2. Okay. Reggie Bush base. Jimmy Graham, base. No more dunking allowed there, Jimmy. Well, I mean, he can probably do it, just get fined. Torrey Smith, base card. Miles Austin, base card. We got an insert prime performance T.Y. Hilton. And then we have a copper parallel of Geno Smith going to the Jets. 16 of 350. Parallel copper. Nice. You know, big hits yet. Still 4 left. Pack 3. Akeem Nicks base. Cecil Shorts base card. Lamar Miller base. Brandon Whedon base card. Oh, and then our first hit, box number 1, Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Let's see what we got here. It's got the player worn quad windowed. It's like the dual relic. Level, doesn't say the level here. 97 out of 99. Zach Ertz. Quad window dual relic card going to the Eagles. Nice. Yeah, Nile Davis base card. And I'll recap all the hits here after the box is done. So, nice first hit for the Eagles. Matt Ryan, base card. Bobby Wagner, base. J.J. Watt, base. Darren Sproles, base card. Insert Denard Robinson, prime do rookies. And we got another Geno Smith, base card. See the hit, big fat one there. What could it be? Julio Jones base. T.Y. Hilton base. Vernon Davis, and I think the hit's behind here, yeah, because it's a big fat one. We got, oh, Marcus Lattimore going for the Niners. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice gold quad relic. Looks like we got the ball. Three jersey pieces. That's nice. The gold. Where's the number? Oh, 1 of 25. Nice. Number 1. Marcus Lattimore going to the Niners. Quad relic. Level 5 auto. That's a sweet card. Got a little piece of the number or his nameplate right there. That's nice. Sweet hit going to the Niners. Nice. And then you got a Matt Barkley base card. Sweet. I like that hit. 4-piece, I think, glove, pant, ball. Nice. 2 more hits, I think, here. Yeah. Drew Brees base. Navarro Bowman base. Richard Sherman base. Jason Witten base card. You got insert of Gronk. Prime timers. Gronk. Then a Landry Jones base card. Got 2 more hits. Got 4 packs, including the one in my hand. Adrian Peterson base. Vincent Jackson base. Stevie Johnson base card. Larry Fitzgerald base. And the Jimmy Graham Prime Timers card insert. And we got a Marquise Goodwin base. 2 more hits left in these 3 packs. Adrian Peterson again, base. Vincent Jackson again, base. This pack is like almost identical to the one we just had. Stevie Johnson. Oh, and here comes our big fatty. Big thick card here. Next hit. Going to Jaguars. Denard Robinson. Let's see what we have. Some sort of quad or big relic here. Yep. Gold. Number 10 of 75. Denard Robinson 3-color patch. Yeah, 10 of 75 gold. Denard Robinson going to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Similar to what we have over there with the Lattimore, but no auto on this one. Still a sweet card. Nice. Good hits in this box. Nice. Okay, and then we got the Christine Michael base. 2 more packs, 1 more hit in box 1. Des Bryant base. Calvin Johnson base. Jonathan Dwyer base. Trent Richardson base card. And we got a gold Darren Sproles parallel card. And D. Milliner rookie card base. Okay, and last pack is going to have it's probably the basic auto. Yep, should be. Better be. Kaepernick base. Yeah, there it is. Brady base. Von Miller base card. Excuse me. Ben Roethlisberger base. Then our last hit of box 1. Sidney Rice going to the Seahawks. It's probably the base auto here. Let's see what we got. Yep. Number 63 of 150, Sidney Rice autograph. Nice. He's not on the team. He's a free agent right now. No one's picked him up, but it's still a sweet card and a great player. Nice. I'm going to recap the hits. That was the last hit in box one. Here's the last base. It's Mike Gillespie. Recap the big hits here from box one. We got the Sidney Rice we just hit, auto, out of 150. We got the Denard Robinson 3-color patch, 4-window, gold, 10 out of 75. Going to the Jags. And we got the Marcus Lattimore quad relic. Excuse me, number 1 of 25. Sweet. Ball, 2 jersey pieces, probably pants and piece of the number and the autograph. Sweet card. Marcus Lattimore going to the Niners. And then the Zach Ertz 97-99 dual relic or dual jersey. Nice. So those are the hits from box one. On to box two. That's a pretty sweet box. 2 of the really thick quad pieces there, and the Lattimore, that's a nice card. Okay. So check the number there. Make sure shiced me out on one pack. Alright, good luck everyone. This is first pack of box number 2. Don't worry if you didn't go, well, I mean, we don't know exactly yet, but giveaways at the end. There'll be a brief pause in the video while I tally who got hits and who didn't get hits, and then I'll be right back to do the giveaway. Alright, good luck everyone. Here we go. Jonathan Dwyer, base. Trent Richardson, base. Kaepernick, base card. Tom Brady, base. We got a redemption card. Auto rookie variation. So it's gonna be a different parallel auto going to the Raiders. Tyler Wilson redemption. It's gonna go to the Raiders. So it's probably gonna be not just a base auto. This is auto rookie variation, so that could be a pretty sweet card. Going out to the Raiders. Gotta send that in. Should be good turnaround. I just did a few redemptions and it only took 3 weeks, so nice. DeAndre Hopkins, base. Much rather get a real card in the pack, but I'll take it. Adrian Peterson, base. Vincent Jackson, base. Stevie Johnson, base. Fitzy, base. We got a gold Miles Austin, free agent. It's on the Cowboys in this, so Cowboys got it. Gold parallel of Miles Austin. And a Le'Veon Bell rookie card. Rob Gronkowski, base. Doug Martin, base. Stephen Ridley, base. Andy Dalton, base card. Primed rookie, insert. Justin Hunter. And then we got a Stedman Bailey, base. Looking for 3 hits here. Oh, there's another big thick one here. It's a good sign. Fitzgerald, base. Dez Bryant, base. Calvin Johnson, base. And then here comes the big guy. Bengals, Tyler Eifert. Let's see what we got. Oh. Oh, nice. Rainbowed bronze out of 15, 7 of 15, similar to what we have. 4-piece, I think it's pant, jersey, and glove and ball. Rainbowed coppered auto. A sweet hit going to the Bengals. Rainbowed copper, 7 of 15. Nice. Tyler Eifert. Oh, I like those. Nice little pants or something. Yeah. 4-piece jersey and or 3-piece of the jersey and then the ball. Nice. Like that hit. Makes up for that redemption. Keenan Allen, base. Two more hits left, guys. And then on to the prizes and giveaways for the hit lists. Hit list. Matt Ryan, base. Bobby Wagner, base. J.J. Watt, base. Darren Sproles, base. Eli Manning, Primetimers insert. And then we have Terrence Williams, base card. Let's see, packs left. 5 packs left. 2 more hits. Nice thick one in here. Clay Matthews, base. Dwayne Allen, base. Randall Cobb, base. Greg Jennings, base card. Looks like our next hit. Oh, it's a multiplayer, dual player hit. So this is going to be going to the player that's on the left or the top, because it's a 2-player hit. So whoever's on the left or the top of the card, that team will get the card. It's a multiplayer. Alright, here we go. Robert Woods is on the left. Dual relic, dual jersey card. Robert Woods and Matt Barkley going out to the Bills on the left side of the multiplayer card. That's the rule I have. If it was 3 or more teams, then it would be a majority owner. But got the Robert Woods, Matt Barkley dual jersey going to the Bills. Nice. Alright. One more hit left, guys. 4 packs. Wes Welker, base card. Reggie Wayne, base. Justin Blackmon, base. Danny Amendola, base. We got a gold Jamal Charles parallel card. And then we have a nice DeAndre Hopkins rookie copper parallel, numbered 350. Good, here we go. 3 more packs. Good luck, everyone. Should be one more hit. Probably the base auto. Or actually, the Tyler Wilson redemption might be the sort of base autograph. We'll see. Andre Johnson, base. Michael Crabtree, base card. Roddy White, base. Brandon Pettigrew, base. Insert DeVere Posey. It's the Prime Performance insert. Then we have a Quentin Patton base card. Looking for that last hit. 2 packs left. Good luck, everyone. There's going to be some prizes here. In a little bit, I'll break away and then get that situated. Choi Palamalu, base. Frank Gore, base card. Looks like our hit is coming up. Aaron Rodgers, base. Joe Flacco. And then looks like our last hit of the 2-box break here, upside down. Mike Gillespie with the Dolphins. It's an okay hit. Relic card, Mike Gillespie, number 170 for the Dolphins. Mike Gillespie. Alright, that's the last hit. We got one more pack. We get something special in there. To the side. Last pack. Tony Romo base. JPP base. Run DMC base. Aaron Foster base. Drew Brees insert prime timers. And then our last card of the 2-boxer, Ryan Nassib. Nassib. Base rookie card. Alright, I'm going to go through all the hits again. Let's see those. Starting with box 2. We had the Mike Gillespie patch out of 170 going to the Dolphins. We have the dual relic here, or dual patch. It's going to the left player, so it's going to the Bills. Matt Barkley, Robert Woods, dual jersey, going to the Bills. And we got the Bengals hitting with Tyler Eifert Copper Rainbow quad relic. I believe pants, jersey, glove, and then ball. And with the autograph. That's numbered 7 of 15. Get that right there, the rainbowing. Copper rainbow. Sweet. And then we have the redemption. Tyler Wilson auto rookie variation. Whoever gets that, the Raiders scratch this off on the back, pop it in online, and I've been getting cards back within 3 weeks, which is pretty good. Some people wait longer, but should be a cool card. Alright, and then we go back to box 1 again. Go over the hits. And the Zach Ertz quad window dual. I guess I want to say quad jersey. Quad window. Out of 99, Zach Ertz going to the Eagles. And then we have the nice gold 3-color pant jersey number and ball. Autograph of Marcus Lattimore going to the Niners. I like that one. It's a sweet one. Definitely got 2 pretty sweet boxes here, I think. We have the Denard Robinson 3-color patch, numbered 10 to 75, gold. Nice hit. And then last but not least, we have the Sidney Rice base auto out of 150. Sidney Rice going to the Seahawks. Yep, that's the last hit. So 8 hits. I'm going to tabulate who got them. People who didn't get hits are going to be entered in for some prizes. I will reveal them shortly. Just going to pause this so you don't hear me, keyboarding and blabbing to myself as I figure this out. But about 5 minutes, a couple seconds in video time. Alright, be right back, guys. Thanks. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the giveaway portion of Wyatt's box breaks. In this 2-box break of Prime, we got 6 people didn't hit, 7 people did, which is pretty sweet, but 6 people didn't, so we're going to give away 3 cards tonight. So half of you guys will pick something up, even though you didn't get any hits in the actual breaks. Nice little service I like to give to you guys to get the maximum value out of these breaks for sure. Get you guys coming back, and you get guaranteed cards and nice cards. So see, it's 146, so it took me a little while to figure that out. But yeah, we're gonna get to random.org. Your name's plugged in already. The hit list people were, let's see, Chris B, Patrick H, Matthew W, John G, Casey O, and then Dennis M. So we're going to randomize this 8 times. 1, 2, and 3 will win, and I'm going to show you. So number 1 will be the, I guess the best giveaway prize. So number 1 is going to be this Magic rookie card auto John Simon, 2013 Magic rookie auto. It's for whoever gets a number 1 after we random 8 times. And then number 2 will be this Torrey Smith Bowman Relic. That's for who gets number 2 in the randomization. And for gets number 3, gets this Joe Flacco Upper Deck Relic. Game Day Gear Joe Flacco. So whoever gets number 3 in the randomization will get that. Alright. Get to it. Get to you guys' prizes. Good luck. Gonna random it 8 times, just like we do the team selection process. Here goes. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, and 3 will win. There's 1. Let me get that zoomed in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is going to be the last random. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, and 3 will win the giveaway prizes. Here we go. Good luck. There it is. KCO, Dennis M, and John G got the prizes. KCO, you got this Magic Rookie Auto, John Simon. Dennis M picked up this relic of Torrey Smith, Bowman Relic. Bowman. And then John G picking up this Joe Flacco Upper Deck Game Day Gear Relic. Alright, everyone, hope you guys enjoyed the breaks. Hope you guys got some sweet hits. I think that was a pretty sweet 2-box combo there. Really nice autos and quad relics and all that. Join me for some mixers I got going on next week. Probably will break in about a week. Yeah, just check out my page. Thanks a lot for buying spots, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Good night.